Presiden Republik Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan Presiden Amerika Serikat, Joe Biden, di Gedung Putih, Washington DC, pada Selasa, 12 November 2024. Pertemuan tersebut merupakan bagian dari rangkaian kunjungan kerja resmi Presiden Prabowo di Amerika Serikat guna memperkuat hubungan bilateral antara kedua negara. Presiden Prabowo tiba di Gedung Putih melalui gerbang Northwest dengan iring-iringan mobil kepresidenan. Saat mobil memasuki area Gedung Putih, barisan tentara yang membawa bendera dari 50 negara bagian Amerika Serikat memberi penghormatan, menunjukkan penghargaan dan keakraban antara kedua negara. Setelah itu, mobil berhenti di depan West Wing Portico, tempat Presiden Prabowo turun dan disambut oleh penjabat Kepala Protokol Amerika Serikat, Ethan Rosenzweig. Selanjutnya, Presiden Prabowo diarahkan menuju ruang Roosevelt untuk mengisi buku tamu kepresidenan sebagai tanda kehormatan kunjungannya. Momen ini menandai formalitas awal dari pertemuan tingkat tinggi antara dua negara yang memiliki sejarah panjang dalam hubungan diplomatik.
Yeah, I see it. Nice to meet you.
Who's that fellow?
You know, Chief of Protocol. I'm the Chief of Protocol.
How are you?
The same Chief of.
I badly need protocol. Come on, come on.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to make a brief opening statement. We're going to then say what you'd like to say, and then we'll try to get the press to leave, which is always difficult. And once then we can talk, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you, sir.
All right. We're marking an important anniversary, 75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States, 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been, and today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership. First, in my view, by advancing free and open Indo-Pacific with ASEAN at its center. As two of the largest democracies in the world, it seems to me our nations have a special responsibility in this vision. Second, fighting the climate crisis. Indonesia is a critical player in the clean energy transition. And third, by building a secure and resilient supply chain. And finally, by deepening our comprehensive strategic partnership that includes deepening our security cooperation. We'll discuss also global challenges, including in Gaza and the South China Sea, with the Mr. President. I'm looking forward to our discussion and welcome. I'd like to have you here, and the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, President Biden. Thank you for receiving me. I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election, and
Great victory.
yes, thank you very much. And then finally, I could make it, and you received me today. United States for us is a great friend. United States supported us in our struggle for independence and helped us many times in our time of need. Therefore, I will work very hard to strengthen Indonesian-United States relationship, and I would like to work towards this end. We have a strong cooperation. Once again, President Biden, thank you very much for.
Thank you. Look forward to our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Foreign Minister,
Mr. President.
How are you?
Very well.
he's a graduate of Norwich. He's my
President.
cabinet secretary, secretary of cabinet.
Independence Secretary.
Good to see you,
She's one
man.
of the meetings.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you at the airport tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.